Aptiv Connected Services provides a portfolio of solutions that drive value throughout the vehicle lifecycle. We help manufacturers improve their products and reduce warranty and recall costs. In the design and testing phase, vehicle manufacturers around the world rely on Aptiv Connect Qualifier, making it the premier pre-production validation solution. Qualifier combines Aptiv's Edge hardware and Connect Edge software with our web-based analytics application and services provided by our customer success engineering team. Aptiv's rich data approach allows you to quickly identify and resolve issues, resulting in millions of dollars in savings. Competing data logging products get raw data off the vehicle and leave it to you to interpret. However, Qualifier provides actionable insights to you faster than competing vehicle data products or in-house solutions. Additionally, it's a turnkey solution that is easy to deploy, saving you time and money. You can configure the hardware remotely, meaning that you can change your data collection strategy on the fly without anyone interacting with the hardware physically. It's flexible enough to meet the needs of all the different engineering groups within an organization, and it gives you the ability to create custom reports and visualizations so that you can get exactly the information you need in a format that lets you make sense of it immediately. It can even ingest files captured with other data loggers and track your vehicles in real time. Qualifier is also built to handle the latest automotive technologies. Let's take a closer look at the solution that makes this possible. Qualifier uses Aptiv's Edge hardware to collect data. Our vehicle data recorders, or VDRs, can capture thousands of signals, more than any other hardware on the market, with microsecond precision. Unlike traditional validation methods, the Edge hardware can identify potential problems long before a malfunction indicator light comes on. You can then immediately adjust your data acquisition strategy so that you capture signals in finer detail, giving you the information you need to resolve problems in a fraction of the time. The Aptiv Edge hardware lineup includes the EP2000. It can collect data from up to 16 CAN FD channels, as well as LIN, diagnostics over IP, and automotive Ethernet. And it supports a wide variety of protocols. Our newest VDR, the EP800, is ideal for two-wheelers, ATVs, heavy-duty vehicles, and other use cases that require a compact, ruggedized device. Its IP68 housing rating means that it can operate outdoors in nearly any weather conditions. The VDRs can also connect to peripherals like our 4-camera video system and our AC Dash in-vehicle tablets. Running on that Edge hardware is Aptiv's Connect Edge software. It tells the VDR what signals to collect at what rate. It allows us to do surgical data acquisition so that the device collects exactly the right amount of data. It then does 75% of the data processing right on the Edge hardware before sending it up to the cloud. This combination of surgical data acquisition and Edge analytics helps keep data transmission and cloud storage costs as low as possible, while also speeding up data analysis. Once that data is in the cloud, you can access it through the Qualifier web application. Qualifier provides powerful analytics and reporting tools, including our AC Graph visualization tool and the Data Lab offline analysis tool, that simplify and streamline the validation and troubleshooting process. You can create scatter plots, Pareto charts, histograms, and other visualizations of your parameter data. Also, Qualifier can run your reports on a recurring basis and deliver them to your inbox. If you install Aptiv video systems in your vehicles, you have the option to add Video Insights. It uses AI to automatically tag objects and environmental conditions in video captured during test drive events. That makes it easier to track feature performance and test coverage, while also improving consistency and streamlining troubleshooting. Fine-grained filtering capabilities allow you to narrow down your report results and track metrics for specific vehicle models. You can plot vehicle locations and trips on a map, and you can access video or audio files recorded in the vehicle. The Qualifier web app is designed for use by a large enterprise. Vehicle manufacturers often have many different engineering groups, each interested in different vehicles and different types of data. Qualifier's role-based access control, combined with its group and fleet filters, allows each person in your organization to see only the data and reports of interest to them. It standardizes data collection and reporting across your organization while meeting each group's unique needs. In addition, the web app keeps your data protected thanks to features like encryption, continuous vulnerability scanning, and robust security protocols. Another thing that sets Aptiv Connect Qualifier apart from competing solutions is our Customer Success Engineering, or CSE team. This group of highly experienced automotive engineers with decades of subsystem experience will work with you to create your data strategy. They help define the complex logic that will trigger the Connect Edge software to collect data in fine detail. They use our internal developer application to send these configuration details to the VDRs over the air. And they can, and often do, modify this strategy on a daily basis to make sure you're receiving the insights that you need. They monitor for data quality, and they can recommend best practices and make suggestions to help you refine and optimize your validation processes. It's like having extra members of your own engineering team that you can contact anytime through the Qualifier web app or via text, phone call, or email. The entire Aptiv Connect Qualifier solution is flexible and highly scalable. Our rich data approach gives you access to the right data at the right time. But don't take our word for it. You can watch the system in action in the real world.
To show you how our solution works, I'm going to be driving around today in a vehicle equipped with Aptiv's pre-production validation hardware. The Aptiv EP2000 Vehicle Data Recorder, or VDR, records signals from the CAN channels in the vehicle. It connects to cell and Wi-Fi antennas as well as to a separate GPS antenna. If there are any issues during the drive, I will press the manual trigger, which will signal the VDR to record vehicle data in finer detail. Also, because this vehicle is equipped with an optional 4-camera video system, we will also record video for a predetermined amount of time before and after the trigger. This vehicle has another optional feature, a tablet running AC Dash, Aptiv's mobile software for use in the vehicle. It displays important signals in real time. In this example, I'm demonstrating how Aptiv's pre-production validation solution can help spot potential issues in advanced driver assistance systems, also known as ADAS. Because ADAS relies on so many different signals, it is one of the most complicated systems to troubleshoot. But it's really no problem for the Aptiv solution to monitor even this complex system. Here you can see the vehicle from above as I drive around. We're monitoring the performance of the vehicle's lane departure system. A light on the dashboard alerts me that the system has deactivated. I wasn't sure why this was happening, so I pressed the manual trigger. The system then sends an immediate email or text alert to the engineer in charge of testing the vehicle. The alert provides details about the event and a map of where the incident occurred. The engineer then logs into Qualifier to investigate the issue. We can see some details about the incident and use AC Graph to take a deeper dive into the signals coming from the vehicle. We can see from the video that when I entered the construction zone, the lane marking lines became faint, which led to the subsystem deactivation. As the engineer, your next step would be to expand your analysis and see if this issue has happened on other vehicles. For that, we are going to use Qualifier's Data Lab feature to perform an offline analysis to see how often the lane departure system is deactivating in all test vehicles. The Data Lab analysis shows us that the lane departure warning system has deactivated on several different occasions. Because this issue needs to be fixed before the vehicle goes into production, the engineer will work with an Aptiv Customer Success Engineer to set up a new configuration to track future occurrences of this issue. Aptiv can deliver the new configuration to the test vehicles over the air, so there is no need for a technician to do anything in the vehicles. Meanwhile, the engineer works to create a software fix for the problem. Together, Aptiv and the engineer create a new report that will show how often this problem occurs each day, so that the engineer can continue refining the software and address the issue before the vehicle goes into production.
As you've seen, Aptiv Connect Qualifier offers a complete end-to-end solution for pre-production validation. It combines state-of-the-art hardware, industry-leading software, and one-of-a-kind services from domain experts into a package that is unparalleled in the transportation industry. We can meet your needs today and well into the future with solutions that are evolving to support technologies like electrification, advanced safety, autonomous vehicles, and more. For more information or to set up a demo where we can show you how Qualifier can meet your unique needs, visit our website